have reinforcements inbound.
Paul's body.
On green mark.
Crazy.
See? Now
Right
who
here.
likes the looter?
I need bullets.
Yeah,
Guys,
they're right
here,
outside the
right
door.
here.
Behind us.
Down one. Full kill with my shot.
Behind you. Right here.
This guy's
He
still
might-
right here, I think.
I'm gonna pick up Paul because someone close that door.
Closed.
Just fucking
Hostile counter UAV is active.
Getting sniped at.
They're in here.
Cracked him. Down. Oh god, there's two of them.
behind you, behind you, behind you,
Down.
behind you. Claymores. They blew up.
Snapshot going out.
Right there.
Squad mates back on
Got
station.
one.
Good work.
Coming back with my stuff.
Back
Guys dropping in. Oh, he's up on top of the.
Yep. Watch gas. Watch gas.
Yeah, but say we got zone.
Ooh, shoot. Oh, I got downed by all the people outside.
They're pushing.
Redeployment time reduced. Hostile UAV in
There's another one coming up the stairs that
Ran. I'm gonna
I
get
died at on my X.
Oh, you jumped down.
I did. Oh yeah, sorry. I figured that was safer. Right here, right here, right here. Ooh, he had a.
Any people reservoir?
He's gonna die before you as long as you get into the zone, Ren.
I turned
die
that
first.
fucking corner.
There's a.
He's gonna die first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Finish him.
Damn it.
Yes.
Fuck yeah. Fuck that shit. Dude, suppression might fuck people up. I'm gonna throw a UAV up right now.
Yeah, yeah. Oh shit, right on me.
Oh, behind us.
You guys.
positive ID on the
Go
bounty
ahead.
target.
Keep
They're
that in
pushing.
back pocket. They don't know we're here. Oh yeah, they're right here.
Yeah.
Hostile deploying the counter UAV.
Got two down.
Ass. I landed behind us
He's right around the corner. Right around the corner. He's cracked.
Reviving you. Well done.
too. Thank you.
I cracked one of them.
Two behind
There are
you.
guys landing directly behind us.
You should be low.
Got guys here too.
Taylor, I'm just gonna camp here and watch
Right
behind
in
you.
this building,
Good
yeah.
work.
They're down to one.
There's a lot of guys at this gas station.
Cracked him.
Yeah, I
Drew,
need
they're
a
right
fucking
behind us.
gun.
Enemy soldier incoming.
He's pushing. He's pushing.
Shit, I have like no ammo. Fuck.
round.
Behind us.
The area.
Four of us.
I'm back.
Yeah, he's glinting right there.
Yep.
Found him.
Another one here on the right.
Where, Tom?
Downed him. Downed him.
Nice.
Right behind here.
Be advised, part of your team is outside the safe zone.
Don't get too caught up with these guys.
Yeah.
UAV. Hey, behind us.
They're moving.
Behind us.
Down him again.
Southwest. Hey, boys, turn around.
Oh yeah, I got caught.
UAV.
Yeah. Right on us. Right on us.
Oh shit.
How?
Squad mates is redeploying. Well done.
Guy behind you. Is that busy there, Taylor?
Cover your dog.
That's kind of crazy. I wish I had more throwables, dude. I only had one.
Is there a way to get a pistol or something in the gulag?
Yeah, it's gonna be a pistol or
Oh, it's good. You might as well take me
yeah, we'll be
out.
on teams. So they're duo lives, so we're probably
Or do we need to find a gun right now?
No, we're just waiting till it starts up here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 40 seconds. Oh, here's a dude.